My first HO train layout in a long time, Part 18, adding steam to the Deadrail, Middleton and South Haven short line. This is an overview for the article that I wrote about this Deadrail conversion. The article is on my website. The article covers the Deadrail conversion for the Deadrail steam locomotive I created using Locofy and an old but never used IHC 280 consolidation. After the introduction is an explanation as to why I chose this particular locomotive. Getting ready and some pre-arrival orders. I ordered 5 different items I thought might be useful. 2 of them proved to be totally useless. Those 2 are noted in the article. While doing a bit of research while waiting for the locomotive to arrive, I found 2 videos that helped me understand how the locomotive shell and the tender shell were removed. They are linked in the article. The IHC 280 consolidation arrived and digging deeper. This section covers the visible inspection upon arrival and the testing of the locomotive on an oval of track. 2 short videos were made of the loco running in forward and reverse. The videos are linked in the article. The locomotive's details and the installation of the Locofy module, speaker, and battery in the tender. This section contains all of the information on how I installed the module, speaker, and battery for this locomotive. There are a lot of photos and a couple of videos in this section. I mean a lot of photos. Other information includes selecting and loading the sound file from the Locofy website to the micro SD card, a bench testing video of the module, the installation of Locofy in the battery pack and the tender, a chuff check video, adding KD couplers, and setting up the Locofy app. As usual, there were problems and then some fixes, and I had to order some new batteries. There was a lot more. I found a video that helped me with my KD coupler issues. I had rolling stock and track issues, and there were fixes discussed in this section about those. Once the new batteries arrived, I did battery testing and then some testing to compute the average amp draw of this locomotive. While doing the testing, I found out what happens if you run the Locofy module below 7 volts. It's nothing serious, but it should be noted. Battery testing continued, and there were some rolling stock and track issues that had to be fixed. The various batteries were tested and the results are presented in the article. Sometimes various rolling stock uncoupled unexpectedly, and the fix was found in a video. Battery testing continued with various loads of rolling stock. New speed tables were created in the Locofy app. The testing improved the performance over time. What the heck happened? I took my locomotive to a model railroad club meeting and I was going to demonstrate it. Something went wrong that night and I was unable to do so. What it was and what I think it was is described in the article. Resizing the browser window, as shown in the screen capture, makes reading my website much easier. I suggest that my website should be checked at least on a monthly basis to see what I've learned, relearned, and where I'm going next with this project. In June of 2024, new information was added to my website. If you have questions to ask or comments to share, my email address is linked at the top of my webpage. I would love to hear from you.